Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to create a test for updating the category. So in the previous video we created a test that allows us to test the edit button. So we were right here, and in this video we are going to test the update functionality. So we are going to come to this page, and after that we are going to update this content. Let's say and once the contents are updated, then we are going to click on this button. So let's just jump in, and before we do that, let's skip some of the um, tests that are working. So the skip group, um, if we pass the at group skip, then we will identify those classes, and then we are going to skip this. So as we know, the register and test skips or tests are working. So I'm gonna assign the skip group to them, and we can skip the example as well, and only the this test is going to be executed. So we created new some other tests, and now we are going to create a test to update the content. We can assert that in this one as well, but let's just create another test for that. So user can update a category. We are creating a category, passing the name and stuff like that. Let's say category 2, and then we are passing it to this one, going to the route, clicking on edit, then we assert this thing, and we can add another assert, or we can directly update the contents. So uh, so first we are going to identify that element, and then we are going to write some contents to it. Let's say updated contacts category, and here we're going to pass that element. So if I look at this, we have the id name in this field, so I'm going to copy that, and in the id name write this, and after that we are going to press the update button. And if we go to the previous tests that we wrote here, you can see we directly pass the content, and in the register page we were having only one button, but now we have multiple buttons. You can see here, we saw in the previous videos that whenever we were creating a category, we got an error because we have multiple buttons. So I'm gonna check that. You can see we can press button by id as well. So let's see if we have any specific id on the button, and if we don't have, then we can definitely add an id. But why? Let's check. The elements. Okay, so this button seems like do not have any id, you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and add an id, and go to edit category and find the button and add id. Let's say update, save it, and in the test we are going to press that button with that id, and after that we will be redirected to the page, right, where we will see, let's say I'm gonna type something, click on update. We will see some success message, right? Category updated successfully. So we will look for that. Here we will wait until we see this message. So let's revert those changes. Okay, here I'm going to copy this, and we will assert that we can see the category updated successfully. We have to wait till that and then assert that we can see the update success message. So let's try the test. I'm gonna go to the terminal, and Here, in order to exclude the skipped group test, where we can use dash exclude dash group, and passing the group name, we have a skip group. So now I'm gonna hit enter, and let's see. Okay, so you can see the test user can update category test has been passed. So from the next video, we are going to move on to creating tests for the context CRUD operations, and this will be like the last operation that you're going to be doing. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.